Remember your favorite place? When did it turn into everyone's go-to spot? Set out to find a new favorite in the 2019 Axis from Thor Motor Coach. There's no telling where you'll end up in an RUV, which is why Thor Motor Coach equips the Axis with everything you need for great adventures. You feel it when you get behind the wheel and ease on the gas. Nice, isn't it? That's the Triton V10 with 305 horsepower, 420 pound-feet of torque, and it is all tied to an 8,000-pound hitch, and your Axis rides on a custom MORryde foundation. No boring drives here with the touchscreen infotainment center with Bluetooth connectivity and navigation. And check out this flip-down workstation with 110 and 12-volt outlets. These seats are more than a great place to sit as you find new destinations. They spin around and deliver the space you need to unwind so you can plan out what to explore first. Setting up camp is as easy as using your smartphone or tablet. The multiplex wiring system is at your command. For power, checking your tank levels, HVAC controls, setting the auto gen start for your gas generator, and keeping it all on the level with the optional stabilizing jacks. You'll also find labeled, easy-to-read remote switches, and while we're talking tech, the Axis is solar ready. All you need to do is add your panels. The Axis offers floor plans that offer a dinette and a pedestal table. Both are minutes away from being made into comfortable places to rest up for your next adventure or catch up on sleep in the overhead bunk, standard on every Axis. Fuel up in the kitchen with this great setup. A single burner gas cooktop teams up with this single burner induction cooktop. You also have a double door fridge, convection microwave, and a flip-up countertop extension. Keep whatever you need close at hand in the large Euro-style cabinets. Some nights you feel like staying in, so you'll find a TV in the living area and a TV in the bedroom. While we're in the bedroom, you are going to love these options. Some floor plans feature this flip-up queen mattress or choose this twin-to-king conversion. All bedrooms come standard with a 12-volt outlet for a CPAP machine. In the bathroom, your shower with skylight and stainless steel sink, and the Siphon 360 means your powder room is always fresh. On the exterior, yes, it's looks that kill, but you will also find a power patio with LED lighting, a television on a swivel with Bluetooth-enabled soundbar. You can't miss the large pass-through storage bays. They'll hold everything you need to take with you the next time you visit your new favorite spot. Find the Axis floor plan made to fit you at thormotorcoach.com.